Right. So before we start, you need to recap about this topic, isn't it? So when we recap this topic, let the people enter. Kian, Ananda, Priya, and one more person. Who's that? Listen, Nico. Wow. Prelim oral exam. Just go through one round, you'll be fine. Yeah. So, P6 is a tough year. Once you have tried out your prelim oral exam, you will be more comfortable doing the PSLE oral exam. Yeah. Right after prelim exam, you should have some maybe 3 weeks at least. Yeah, 3 weeks of break before actual PSLE, so you all can do your last minute revision. Why is that so? Because you will understand how the procedure is like. If you have not gone through it at least once, you don't know, how the whole process takes place, and that is where you start to panic. When you know what's going to happen, it is not so bad. Okay? No, not additional. Trust me, after the first round, the second one is always better. Okay? Yeah, Nikki, you raise your hand. Is it something you want to ask? If you forgot to lower your hand, you lower now, Ken? Okay, thank you.
Miss Tay, actually my science homework is a PSLE year 2020 paper, and even if I think the questions are difficult, I think I can follow the thinking process that my science teacher used, like the step-by-step process, and also linking it to a science concept.
Yes, link to science concept all the time. The first thing you think about must be what concept, what topic, what subtopic is tested, what skills are required, right? Not okay, Nikki, that's what we learned as well, right? And then you have the claim evidence, reasoning, all this. Yeah, you better send again, Hannah. I tell you, I have like 30 over emails I have not read. Okay. Yeah. So let's quickly do a recap now. All right. Do a recap now. And how do we do recap? Instead of me, doing the recap review, I'm going to show you what the students did. Okay, so this is one of the notes that they came up with. I know it's a very simple one, right? So this is about light. Okay, so we can do something like this. But before that, I need to start this Jamboard review first. Have you done Jamboard before? Put out your hand if you have done it. Yeah, good. Okay, so Jamboard is powerful. Jamboard actually helps a lot. And then if I show you one more, but then, this is what the students did, the recent ones. Okay, so you can create your own Jamboard like this. We have our own class notes this way. Yeah, so for people who are, very interested in having the notes, okay, everyone contribute together. I think it is more meaningful rather than Miss Tay do it for you. So this is what okay, never mind. Space it out like that. All right. Red. Okay. So you can put in the sticky note. Okay. And then always remember, put in your name. So I know how much you are contributing. All right. So to ensure continuity of its kind. Yeah, so I put this in. This is my first note. Okay, and of course, this is where you get your sticky note. You see the left-hand side. Okay. Hold on, I got a lot of message. Yeah. After that, I'll put in the drive, of course. Okay, I'll be giving you the link soon. Okay, I'll be giving you the link soon. But I need you to be very serious because I have students who did this, look, they did this and then they start drawing. Okay, and that got me very upset. Okay. Not exactly that kind of upset, more of a, I am feeling sad that people are not serious about this and not considerate that other people, annoyed in a way, yes, because I care for all of you. That's why you see that I try always all means to get things more interesting for everybody. So making notes together is very powerful. Okay, so when you're making notes together, you will definitely treasure it more. What's that? Okay, so you can do yours after I share with you, okay? So let me change the title. And you only get to see your own class notes. That means that whatever you put in is for your class only. I will not share with other classes lah. Can share now because I don't have all your email addresses, especially the new ones, new students here. Okay, so I'm going to allow everybody to do this, and I will see you as anonymous, right? Okay, I will see you as anonymous, but don't do funny things. I also saw some students, deleting other people's notes, which I really don't like. If I want to find out who you are, I can find you also. Yeah, I will share the drive with you all as well. Okay. So if you see the link I have put into our Jamboard, you may click on it and start to put in your notes. Okay. First page not enough, we go to the second page. We call it frame also lah. Okay, we can go to the second one. Okay, then set background, up to y'all lah. So this is our notes. Okay, Brian, you want to go to the next line, you press enter, right? Enter will actually paste your notes there, no? Don't press enter. Just, you saw how Miss Tay never go to the next line just now, right? When I type in. Okay, I try again and I show you. So I don't go to the next line because the moment I press enter, the sticky note get pasted. So I just continue typing here. Okay, something like that. Yeah, and then if you want to enter, you can enter. Immediately it appear there. Okay, then you can also turn it here and there. Very pretty, right? Like this, and then you join here and there with your friends, notes. I delete mine because this one. So every time you put it in, you try to drag your own post-it, okay, to another section of this Jamboard, because everyone's will appear right at the top, upper left-hand corner, stacking on top of each other. So you have to put it elsewhere. Kawin, can you see on my screen? Look at where my mouse is pointing. So you press on it. You click once, the sticky note come out, and you change color according to what you like lah. Yeah, Shika, there are 4 processes which lead to plant reproduction. Good. So we can also explore that. Okay, Priya said there are male parts. Okay, yeah, all involved in reproduction in plants, right? And okay, male part of a flower is called the anther. This person never put down name. Or do we have a student called anther? Oh, Hannah, yes. Okay, Hannah changed this. Good. Yeah, so if you have very long notes, then you can actually drag your box bigger. Okay, but if yours is very small, right? Okay, sometimes you see students are like, Priya, I made use of yours first. I have students who did this, want to take up so much space. Then I was thinking we have so many other post-its, so can we make it smaller? Yeah. Okay, so let's try to be considerate. Brian, okay, there are male, female reproductive cells that fuses when fertilization occurs. Thank you. Okay,
Miss J,
self-reproduce.
Miss
Yes.
J, I actually clicked on my post-it to edit it, and then after that I suddenly accidentally delete Nikki's one.
You accidentally delete Nikki's one. You can undo. Yeah. Are you able to undo?
No.
Yeah, because usually when we do one action, right, we can quickly undo it. Only you yourself can do it. So for example, you did it, I cannot undo for you. You understand? Nikki, Priya is sorry that she accidentally deleted yours. Okay, let's try.
Yeah, but I undid it just now. It's there.
You undid already? This is the green one.
Yeah, that one.
Wonderful. So you know how to control this also. Don't panic. Okay, don't panic. Yeah, thank you for telling me, Priya. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see it's going to be like more and more of this. It's going to look so beautiful, no? Okay, yeah, meal. Wow, this one is very long. Pollination, okay, from the answer to the stigma, yes. Yep, okay, yes, good. All right. So you might want to think about reproduction in plants. Is it just for flowering plants? It seems like we are all talking about flowering plants only, right? Can it happen for non-flowering plants? Yeah, okay, talk about it. Then you can even refer to, you know, how pollination take place. Oh, your sticky note got deleted, but it's okay already, right? Yeah, Nikki. So we have new friends coming in. Because of the new friends who came in, I must copy the link once more. Yep, good. So everybody contribute, you will see that your notes will be more and more complete. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, somebody erased that line. I like that. Okay, ferns use spores to reproduce. So talk about, you can even, yeah, see? Ananda actually wrote in, some flowering plants are pollinated by insects, some pollinated by wind. Good. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, it's important. So you can even talk about, maybe I start the next page, right? I can put in this. While you are still typing, you continue typing, okay? So we talk about pollination here, can, right? Then we can refer to...
I can't even see the words. Oh yeah, that's better.
Yeah, we are experimenting. Somebody is helping me to put in the background, and I appreciate that. Okay, then we can talk about wind pollinated. Oops. Yeah, wind pollinated plants. See, who's the one? Okay, so once you're done with the first page, you can go to this second page. This one is generally under pollination. So talk about the characteristics. Yeah, talk about characteristics of those plants that are wind pollinated and those that are insect pollinated. For example, I can write something like this, okay? Dull, small flowers, right now. Okay, and then I categorize it under, okay, wind pollination. Yes. Good. Yeah. So you can put in all these notes. These are good. Yeah. Yes, everybody will love Jamboard because why? You look at how you have done this thing. It's so wonderful, isn't it? So if I keep this board active, that means later on, if I can add in all your email addresses, it'll be wonderful. Why? Because no other people can come into our Jamboard to delete anything or, you know, to mess up our notes. Only ourselves can access this. Then we can add in still more notes. So if we can do this for every topic on our own, don't you think, Kiara, we will have a lot of topical revision ready? Yes or not? It's all almost there, right? So this is what I want all of us to do together. Of course, I'll be packing in notes. And then just now, I think if I remember, okay, this is actually our Sunday P6 Google Drive, okay? If I check here, I have some of your email addresses in ready. So those of you who have not given me the email address,